How we doing, guys? Alright? I know it's been a bit of a while since I've done the last video, but life gets busy and work took over, so I decided to have a bit of a break and going to come back to you now with a video on a solar panel that I've just bought for the Land Rover. I'm not sure whether I updated you on that I sold the rooftop tent, but that is now gone, and I had a flexible solar panel that was bonded to the top of the rooftop tent, which is now, I left it on there because I didn't want to damage it taking it off, and because I use Sikaflex to bond it on, it would only do more damage trying to take it off and reuse it. So that went with the rooftop tent. That was a 150 watt panel. Being flexible probably wasn't as efficient as a solid panel, so now I've gone for a solid 100 watt solar panel. So rather than going for a 150 watt solid panel, I've gone for a 100 watt purely because of the weight of the thing. It weighs about 9 kilos, so it's a fair bit heavier than 150 watt flexible panel, which weighed like 2 or 3 kilos, maybe 5 max. So yeah, this one's going to be a fair bit heavier, but I'm going to mount it straight on the roof rack and it will be up there permanently. And in the future, when hopefully the pop top roof comes along, I'll mount it straight on the top of the pop top roof, and it can just, when the roof's popped up, you can angle it towards the sun and get the best possible, current from the sun. So let's see how we get on with the solid panel. Yeah, I'll take you through unboxing it and seeing how it's come like, and whether there's any damage there, or if it's in naturally good condition, and any sort of bad quality parts about it. But so far so good from what I've seen, so we'll take you along and show you see what we think. See you in a minute. So yeah, as you can see, it's been fairly well packaged, and I can't complain about how it's come. Obviously, with all the foam around it and the foam across the glass and foam in the corners, I think that's quite a nice touch. Whereas you can imagine really cheap solar panels, they just chuck it in a cardboard box and just send it to you as it was, which I have seen on a few YouTube videos where they've reviewed like budget solar panels against like the higher end ones, and the budget ones have just come straight in the box with no foam, polystyrene or something to protect them. So yeah, that's interesting. So right, that'll do for this part. Join me in the next video and we'll install the solar panel on the Land Rover into the C-Tech and see what sort of amperage we're getting through. So that'll do for this video, and join me on the next one. We'll do that installation. See you in a bit.